Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove Find My Device profile. So, first thing, just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your smartphone. And now, once you are on the settings, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here biometrics and security. So, just simply select this one and just simply scroll down a little bit. And you should be able to see here Find My Mobile. So just simply turn this off in order for you to remove Find My Device profile and just simply sign in into your account to verify the process. And now, guys, once you sign in into your account, automatically Find My Device will be removed from your phone. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any question, just simply comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching. See ya.